Bago ako mag-end, mag-end na kasi ako. Naka 3 hours na ako mga kalalabs. Thank you so much sa support nyo mga kalalabs. Have a blessed Sunday for same to you. And Charlene and Lester, thank you so much. Thanks for coming. Kalalabs, shout out. And now mga lalabs, ano na kasi, yung naka 3 hours na ako at saka may maglilinis dito sa kwarto pa. Ongkotero, TV. Ayan. Thank you so much sa iyo. Sisi Iris D, thanks for coming. Mega love shout out. Bago po ako mag-end, gusto ko munang pasalamatan si Myra. Thank you so much. Si Porets, Jen Vlog, thank you so much. Wedan TV Vlog, thank you so much po. Si Bad Sinjab, thank you so much. Ay, si Bodot Screen, thank you so much. JP Sinya, Lalabas Kapatid, thank you so much. Cricket, Miran, PGM, thank you so much. Arthur Music Video, thank you so much. Stella and Family, thank you so much. Leti, thank you so much. Miss Budol, thank you so much. Kapatid Gimbal, thank you so much. Kuan ng Live, thank you so much. Eagle Eyes, thank you so much. Marcel Official, thank you so much. Ayan, Ongkotero TV, dikit na sa'yo ang main ko. Hindi na ako magbakas ha. CC Just Production, thank you so much. Erica, thank you so much. Job Opportunity, thank you so much. Asiana Jan, thank you so much. Silent K, thank you so much. Pumunta pala si Silent K. Ano to ni Kuya, di ba? Kaibigan. Papa J Vlog, thank you so much. Ongkotero, thank you so much. Charlene and Laster, thank you so much. Si Iris D, thank you so much. Si PSG, thank you so much sa mga pasugod mo sa mga alagad mo. Lalabas Kapatid, thank you so much din. Maraming salamat si Kuan ng live sa stay hanggang matapos at sa inyong lahat. Kapatid Ronnie, Mix Vlog, thank you so much. Preston Jack Singer, thank you so much. Si G Franco, ayan, ako makalimutan ko si G Franco, thank you so much. Ayan. Buti na lang. Ayan mga lalabs, mag-i-end na ako. Mimi Bear, thank you so much din. Ayan. Time na lang mga kalalabs. Ongkotero TV. Next time na lang ha. Bye bye sisi. Bye bye po sa inyong lahat. Be safe always and God bless to all of you. Bye bye.